Hi, my name is Olivia Benbow, and this is my introduction. I'm currently a fifth grade math and social studies teacher at Washington Elementary School in Lancaster City, and this is my second year teaching. When I'm not teaching, I participate in the MFE Lancaster Chorus, and I also play the piano. I also enjoy going to the movie theater and am trying to learn some Spanish. In my free time, I enjoy traveling with my family. I enjoy going to the beach every summer, going on cruises, and then going to Disney World. And I'm kind of sad that that can't happen this summer. So my major is the assessment curriculum and teaching with a focus on integrative STEM education. And so my goal with this class is to discover new ways to use technology in forms of assessments and hopefully new and different types of technology to use. I also hope to enhance assessment in my classroom as a second year teacher. I feel like my assessment is pretty basic, and so I'm interested in learning more about that and how to assess students efficiently and effectively. And then I'm also looking for things that I can apply directly to my classroom, whether it's online or when I get actually back in the classroom. Thanks for watching.